Do want to begin this noon on storm watch as we have seen rain in the valley, snow in the Sierra. Rain pummeled the valley this morning. In the valley, the rain put strains on storm drains. This corner at Folsom Boulevard and Coloma Road in Rancho Cordova started to flood, and that happened again just before the sun came up. Drivers urged not to drive through flooded areas as water may be deeper than it looks. And take a look at this video out of Roseville, shot by CBS 13's own Tony Lopez. Yes, a mix of rain and hail filling up a backyard pool. You can see it coming down, and I'm sure those who lived inside that home could hear it as well. And the snow keeps getting deeper in the Sierra. This is video of a trip up Highway 50 this morning. Looking picturesque and beautiful, but yeah, very difficult to drive. Chains required on Highway 50 from Kybers to Myers in El Dorado County. Meantime, traffic on Interstate 80 is still being held from Applegate all the way to the Nevada state line. And that's because of the whiteout conditions, which has made roads unsafe, and many spinouts have been reported. CBS 13's Elisa Becerra has more.
So it's definitely coming down. We're here at Nyack, just shy of 5,000 feet in elevation. The snow here, super fluffy. You can see that. Take a look, though. It's nice and clear here, but the snow is coming down. We know I-80 westbound earlier, chain requirements at Alta, but you might want to check that if you're coming on up. Slow going this morning. People had to wait up to about 45 minutes to get through that checkpoint. Lots of accumulation here. They're expecting a lot more. Here's what one snowplow driver had to say.
It's coming down quick. I heard on the news it's 2 to 3 inches an hour, and so this is going to be all day. So we'll be plowing all day. But we're open, so come up.
Those coming up here or through here for work or fun had this to say.
It's been crazy. Lately, it's not been this crazy. It's actually been worse right now.
Not too bad. It was a little, obviously slick, but the wind's not too bad. Visibility's all right. I was, expecting the possibility that we wouldn't make it up, but just wanted to give it a shot. And I found that usually the weather tends to hype it up a little more than it actually is. So we'll see.
So the takeaway here is if you're planning on coming up, certainly check to see if there's any closures, where you need to chain up. There's a blizzard warning up until later tonight. So again, if you can get that travel in, just be very careful. Take it nice and slow. There's a lot of accumulation out there. You can take a look here. And again, we're at Nyack. I just thought we'd show you this car's been sitting out here for a while. That shows you just how much snow we've been getting. Back to you.
Absolutely. Elisa Becerra reporting for us again. And by the way, the Placer Sheriff has just put out a tweet saying that they have gotten winds of up to about 110 miles per hour recorded at some of those ridge lines. So it certainly is windy and cold. CBS 13's Jordan Segundo is in the Weather Center tracking more of the snow. Hi there.
That's right. We are seeing some pretty hefty snow totals. Take a look at the 24-hour totals at some of our locations out there. About 18 inches out towards North Star, Sugarborough about 11, Squaw Alpine 21. Again, this is all in the last 24 hours. And we're going to continue to add to more of this as we head into our afternoon and overnight hours. We still have that blizzard warning in effect for the Sierra until 10 o'clock tonight with whiteout conditions, and then a winter storm warning along mainly the foothills area. We are going to start to see snow levels dip down later this evening. And in addition to the snow, we are seeing some pretty heavy rainfall totals out there as well. Right now on our radar, you can see the greens indicate some lighter rain, but the oranges, yellows, and the red indicate some very heavy rainfall. And we are seeing it all along the foothills out towards Jackson. We even saw out towards the Stockton and Modesto area, and all of that will once again become pretty heavy snow up towards the Sierra. And so for the rest of our afternoon, we're going to continue to see the chance for some thunderstorms within the valley area. And with those thunderstorms, we're even going to see a chance with some hail and, of course, with some funnel clouds and possibly some weak tornadoes forming out there. Lots of instability in the atmosphere right now. And then as far as the Sierra, we're going to see about 3 to 6 feet of additional snow above 5,000 feet. And then later tonight, elevations between 1,500 feet and 750 feet. may see some light snow overnight. So this storm continuing to give us some pretty impressive impacts as we head into the overnight hours. Dina.
Wow, yeah, and 1,500 feet, Jordan, would be at about Auburn, and so certainly not a place used to seeing snow. All right, thank you for that update. And the heavy snow has also caused a number of schools to cancel class today. That includes schools in the Lake Tahoe Unified School District, the Amador County Unified School District, and the Camino Union School District. Some schools in Pollock Pines Elementary School District and Pioneer and Gold Oak districts also were closed. And for a full list of those school closures and to stay up to date on the storm when we're not on the air, you can go to our website, cbs13.com. We have a live radar there for you. And of course, our reporters are tracking things up in those mountain passes as well throughout the day.